Sophia, you want to be right behind me? Can you join the line somewhere, girls? How about if you go back here behind Abby? Can you jump in over here? Okay, here we go. You know what? Just put it on top of the piano, Christopher. Then we can get it later, okay? Alrighty. Here we go. Follow me. Whoops. There we go. Show me how you can hold hands and make a circle. Ready? Hold hands and make a circle. Hold hands. Hold hands and make a circle. Hold hands. Hold hands and make a circle. Make it round like a giant cookie. Hold hands and make a circle. Hold hands. What, Christopher?
One eat chocolate in the middle.
We need chocolate in the middle of our cookie. Do you like those cookies with the chocolate kisses in the middle?
Yeah,
All right, I'm looking for 3 Christmas tree people. Sophia, Tyler, and Paige. Can you jump in there, please? All right, let's connect our hands. Ready? Round and round the Christmas tree, round and round we go. Round and round the Christmas tree, round and round we go. Gently, round and round the Christmas tree, round and round we go. Round and round the Christmas tree, round and round we go. Round and round we go. Round and round the Christmas tree, round and round we go. Round and round the Christmas tree, round and round we go. Friends. Very good. Now we have time for one more thing. What we're going to do, friends, is the song Up on the Housetop. We have time for that. So, would you join me and sit over on the carpet? Leave some room for me, because I'm going to slide back in here. Oops. No, not right now, honey. Can I scooch back in here, guys? Can you slide back towards the piano a little bit? There we go. Okay. All right, now one of the things that we work on, I'm sure in Mrs. Spancer's room, they have to work on passing things out too and knowing how to hold on to things that are passed out until it's time to do whatever it is that they're going to do. Right, guys? So today when we are getting our sticks, we are going to hold them just like this together and pass them all the way to the back until the back people have a pair of sticks. And if somebody gives you some sticks and you already have some, look around, and if somebody doesn't have some, then you give it to them, okay? So pass them back. Pass them back. Yes, dear? Are you bleeding, honey? Okay. All right, just hold. I think you're going to be okay until after we're done, okay? It's just a little hangnail. So you'll be okay. There you go.